Gayatri. Today I am going to teach you computer. This is your fourth chapter, more on paint tool. If you have computer, desktop computer or PC in your home, you have to practice this chapter, okay, on it. Let's start this chapter. Here are some difficult word of this chapter. You have to do this hard word in your notebook and learn these hard words, okay, properly. Let's start. In class 2 I already teach you some paint. You also done some practical work on computer system. Here are some more points about the paint option. Okay, let's start this chapter. In this chapter we will discuss about component of paint window and saving the image, how to save the image. Okay, let's start. Hi friends, Paint is a simple graphic program for drawing or coloring images. Let's learn more about it. You have already learned that MS Paint is a software for drawing and coloring. You can draw pictures as well as fill colors with the help of Paint program. Let us look at some more tools that we have in Paint. You already know about that. In your previous class you already learned about that. MS Paint is a software which is we use this software for drawing and coloring, okay, and we can draw the pictures and we can color it properly in this program. Let's read this read the tools of the MS Paint. Opening the paint, how to open paint option in your system, in your PC, how to open it. Let's see the some steps you have to follow. Look at here. To open the paint program, follow these steps. First of all, when you open your window in your screen and your desktop, you see this option. This is a start button. You have to just click it with the help of mouse button. You have to click left click, okay. Then some all programs shown here. You go to all programs, then some list of programs are also showing here. You go in accessories, then you click on it, accessories, then click on some more options are shown here, then you click on paint option, okay, and MS Paint window will be open on your screen. Then MS Paint window screen will be open when you click on this paint option. जब आप इस paint option को click करेंगे then screen जो नज़र आएगी वो MS Paint की आपको नज़र आएगी. First of all you have to click on this start button, then these options are showing there, ये options आपको नज़र आएंगे. Then you have to click on all programs, okay, all programs को click करेंगे. Then some programs are also showing here. These are the sub menu and you have to go in this accessories. Then you click on it and then paint option are showing. In these options you have to choose only paint option. Then you have to draw a paint. How to draw a paint? Let's read it. The paint window hold various components as listed below. When you open paint, when you click on the paint button, some screen are showing there. Okay, look at here like this. Okay, some tools are there, some components are there. Let's talk about it. Look at the topmost bar. This is the topmost bar, okay, and this is called title bar. Okay, this topmost bar is called title bar and it hold the program name and the file name. Look, when you see here, when you save the image which you have drawn, and then it will be show here. If you write your name, if you save this image with your name, it will be shown here. And the paint, the program name is also shown here. This is called title bar. Quick access toolbar. This bar is placed before the title bar. Hold the button to do common task. Quick access bar. These bar are called quick access bar. Some save button are there. Some new page are okay. Button are there. These are common tasks. Quick access toolbar. Then minimize button. This button is allow us to hide the paint window. This is okay. This is minimize button. When you click this minimize button, you hide your program. Okay, it will be shown in the there. Okay, and then maximize button. This center button is called maximize button. This button enlarges the paint windows if it is present in the small size. If your this paint window is showing half in your screen, you have just click on this maximize button and your program, the paint program will be open, enlarge all area, cover all area of this desktop. When you click on this minimize button, it will be squeezed in the window here. And close button, you know about that. When you want to close your program, you have to click on this close button. This button is used to close the program. Paint button, this button hold various options to work in the paint. Okay, and see here, this is the tools of paint. Okay, when you draw the pictures of any shape and size, you have to choose these shapes. When if you want to draw with pencil, eraser are there and paint are there. Okay, text are there, eraser are there. Now next is tab. Tab are placed below the title bar. This is the title bar, and below the title bar it is tabs. Tab are placed below the title bar. Each tab hold various command in group. And look at here, lots of commands are there. You have to follow it. And ribbon, the ribbon hold a set of commands which are arranged in group. A ribbon open up when you click a tab. The home tab opens by default in the paint program. When you open the paint program, home tab is default in this program. It is already opened in this program. Okay, and canvas, the white area in the paint program is called canvas. On the canvas we can draw color and edit image. Okay, now understood. This is the topmost बार इज कॉल्ड टाइटल बार. सबसे ऊपर जो है ये टाइटल बार है. यहाँ पे आपका फाइल नेम आपको दिखता है और वो प्रोग्राम जो आप कर रहे हैं. लाइक दिस इज द पेंट एंड इट इज शोन हेयर. एंड क्विक एक्सेस बार, किसी टैब के अंदर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू हैव टू जस्ट सेव योर इमेज एंड यू हैव टू चूज़ न्यू फाइल, न्यू पेज, न्यू कैनवस. You just click on there, and this is minimize button and this is maximize button and this is close button. minimize button का यूज़ किस लिए करते हैं? स्क्वीज़ करने के लिए, प्रोग्राम को हाइड करने के लिए, छुपाने के लिए. एंड मैक्सिमाइज का बटन का यूज़ करते हैं. अगर आपके डेस्कटॉप में थोड़ा सा अगर पेंट ऑप्शन छोटा स्क्रीन में खुला है तो यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक इट एंड enlarge it and close. If you want to close your program, you have to just click on this close button. And paint button have various option. यहाँ पे this is the paint button and there are lots of options are there. Okay, and tab, this is the tab where you see home and view. This is the tabs and defaulted home tab are already open. home tab हमेशा open रहेगा जब भी आप टेक्स्ट इसको पेंट ऑप्शन को ओपन करेंगे. Okay, and canvas is this. You have to draw and color on this canvas. Ribbon is MS Paint. The ribbon hold a set of commands that are arranged in group. The home tab open up by default in the paint. Look at here. This is the ribbon. This total area is called ribbon in MS Paint, and in this ribbon you see that the home tab and the view are there, and the home tab is defaulted open here. home tab defaulted open है. जिस home tab में you see there the color are there, the shapes are there, and the eraser and pencil and text are there, and the select and rotate are there. This is the whole options in this home tab. ठीक है, ये सारे ऑप्शंस आपको होम टैब में मिलेंगे जो कि डिफ़ॉल्टेड ओपन होता है जब व्हेन यू ओपन द दिस MS Paint. Look at the some shortcut keys. Control+N. When you open the new window, you have to just click Control with N. You press both button together, then you open the new window. Okay, new page or new something. And Control+O open an old file. Control+O press करने पर old file आपकी open होगी. Alt+F4 close running program. जो program आप run करा रहे हो आपको cross पे जाके उसको close नहीं करना. You have to just control Alt+F4, then your running program will be closed, and then you again press Alt+F4. Your screen, your desktop will be shut down. And next, creating shape. You can select various shape like rectangle, oval, triangle, line, polygon, rounded, rectangle, etc. Under the home tab. To draw a shape such as rectangle, use the follows tab. Look at here, when you see in your home tab, you see these shapes. There are some shape. These are some are rectangle, triangle, line, polygon, rounded. Which kind of painting you want to draw, you just choose these shapes and draw your drawing. To draw the shape, first of all you have to bring the cursor on the rectangle. If you want the rectangle shape, you bring the cursor in rectangle shape and click on it. Just click this shape and then click the color 1 foreground. Look at here, the color 1 and color 2 are shown there. Okay, you just click on color 1 and then choose the color, and color 1 is shown here, and select any color, for example red color from the color group. Bring the cursor on the canvas, then you just bring the cursor on canvas and then press and hold the left mouse button. You have just hold and press the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer to draw the shape. After the drawing the image, release the mouse button, then you just click on it and then hold it, then drag it and then release it, छोड़ देना आपको, and then you show there the rectangle shape is there with this color. Okay, because you choose the color 1 now, that's why your rectangle is shown in red color. If you want to make some changes in your painting or drawing, you can easily erase by using the eraser tool. To use the eraser, click on it and move it over the part which is to be erased. If you want to erase any if you want to add it and you change some drawing or some line, then you have to erase. You want to erase, you just click on the erase tool and then erase the line and whatever you want to erase. Okay. And coloring an image, the fill with color tool, fill color in closed image. The step to use this tool are as follow. And look at the fact file. If you press Ctrl Z, it will be undo under last section, and by presenting Ctrl Y, redo command start. If you something you have to draw and something you have to write, if it is erased and deleted, you just click Ctrl plus Z. अगर आपने कुछ लिखा है या कुछ ड्रॉ किया है वो डिलीट हो गया है, ठीक है, तो उसको वापस लाने के लिए क्या करेंगे, Ctrl प्लस Z करेंगे, ठीक है, तो जो भी आपने लिखा है वो वापस आ जाएगा. एंड Ctrl प्लस Y से उसको हटा सकते हैं. And see here the steps which we follow to do fill the color. Draw any closed shape such as the rectangle. Click the fill with color tool and click on any color, for example yellow, to select it. Bring the cursor to the image and then press the left mouse button to the, then if you want to color this rectangle shape, you have to choose the color and then choose the paint button and then click on this rectangle shape. The whole rectangle will be chosen by choosed color. Okay. And next is select tool. We use the selection tool to select image. You need to select an image if you want to make some change like copying, moving, resizing, etc. MS Paint provide two types of selections tool. अगर आपको अपनी इमेज को जो आपने ड्रॉ किया है उसको कॉपी करना है, मूव करना है या रीसाइज करना है, बड़ा छोटा करना है, देन यू हैव टू चूज दिस selection tool. And these tools are two types: rectangular selection and free form selection. What is the use of rectangle and free form selection? See here, this selects rectangle area of your drawing. रेक्टेंगल शेप का जो भी एरिया है उसको शेप को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए यू हैव टू चूज रेक्टेंगुलर सिलेक्शन. इफ free form selection, this select irregular area of your drawing. अगर कोई आड़ा टेढ़ा आपने कुछ या हाफ पार्ट आपको लेना है, you have to choose this free form selection. To rectangular selection, to make a rectangular or square selection, follow the step by given here. अगर आपको रेक्टेंगल या स्क्वायर शेप का कुछ चेंज करना है, रिसाइज करना है, कलर करना है, then you have to choose this rectangular shape and then bring the mouse pointer on the one corner of the figure to the selected by holding, then press left mouse button and drag across the picture. अगर आपको करना है इसको select, then you have to select this rectangular shape, then you click on the upper part of the drawing and then click on it and then drag in whole picture and then release it. You can release the mouse button once it is selected, then the whole picture will be selected. And then free form selection. To make a free form selection means to select irregular shape of any part of the picture of the figure. To select this kind of shape, follow the step given here. Step 1, select the form of the group. Okay, then click on the free form, select on the object by dragging to the part of the drawing. You can release the mouse button once it's selected and drag that selected part away from the picture to blank space of canvas. सेलेक्ट करना है। अगर आपको हाफ पार्ट लेना है किसी भी पिक्चर का, देन उतना हाफ पार्ट आप फ्री फॉर्म से सिलेक्ट करिए, देन उसको ड्रैग करके अलग कर दीजिए, ठीक है, सी हियर, या कॉपी कर लीजिए, ठीक है। देन अगर रीसाइज करना है तो रीसाइज करिए। नाउ कॉपिंग एंड पेस्टिंग, वी कैन यूज कॉपी कमांड टू कॉपी एन होल इमेज, फॉलो द स्टेप गिवन हियर। आप सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे रेक्टेंगल से या फ्री फॉर्म से, जो भी एरिया आपको सेलेक्ट करना है, देन क्या करेंगे, सेलेक्ट द इमेज यूजिंग एनी शेप, ठीक है। देन कॉपी, कंट्रोल+C प्रेस करके कॉपी कर सकते हैं, या फिर लेफ़्ट क्लिक करेंगे माउस को, देन ऑप्शंस नज़र आएंगे, उसमें कॉपी का ऑप्शन होगा, उसको क्लिक करना है होम टैब में जाके, एंड देन पेस्ट, जहाँ आपको पेस्ट करना है यू हैव टू जस्ट पेस्ट इट। आफ्टर सेलेक्टिंग एन इमेज, सेलेक्ट on the paste option, form and clipboard group. The image will be pasted on the top left corner of the screen. Drag the image of the new position. Left most corner में show करेगा। अगर copy plus paste करेंगे तो Ctrl+V करेंगे तो वो लेफ्ट साइड में शो करेगा। देन आपको जहाँ पेस्ट करना है, जहाँ मूव करना है, यू हैव टू जस्ट मूव इट। एंड टू रिमूव द इमेज, we use the cut command to remove an image and take it to another place. To do so, follow the step given here. Step 1, this click select and select your drawing. select कर लीजिए, select option है यहाँ पे, उसको select करिए अपनी drawing को, then click cut option, then cut में जाइए, cut कर दीजिए अगर आपको हटाना है। सेविंग द इमेज, अब आपने इमेज ड्रॉ कर ली एंड देन नाउ यू वांट टू सेव this picture. What will you do? You must save your work after completing it. To save the drawing and follow the step given here. Step 1, click on the paint button. You have just click on the paint button and then click on the save option. Then save option will be shown there. You have to go in save option and choose name and type it in the box name, file name. File name में जाके ये शो करेगा, ओके, या Ctrl+S शॉर्टकट की है इसका, Ctrl+S प्रेस करेंगे तो आपकी फ़ाइल को सेव करने के लिए पूछा जाएगा। देन फाइल नेम में यू हैव टू जस्ट राइट योर नेम और एनी नेम एंड देन सेव, सी हियर दिस, click on this save button and then your image will be saved in your document. And rotating or flipping image, if you want to rotate your image, see this is the rotation of this umbrella. How to rotate this? Rotation and the flipping of the image are also possible in the paint program. Follow the given step and rotate and flip the image. Just select the image which is rotated, click on the rotate button. See here, where is rotate button? Now see here, this is rotate button. Rotate 90 degree, rotate left, right 90, left 90, rotate 180 degree, rotate, okay, vertical, horizontal, okay, or drop down list of the following appearance as given below. Rotating, these are the angles, okay. The rotation of the select image by 90 degree, 90 degree में like इस तरीके से हो जाएगा. This rotate are selected by 90 degree left. This is the right and this is the left. See here, right side में rotate हुआ 90 degree, ये left side में rotate 180 degree, उल्टा हो गया, okay. The flip, the selected image flip करा, ये नीचे हो गया, and the flip selected image horizontal. This is the vertical and this is the horizontal. Now see the fact file magnifier tool on home tab help to increase or decrease the view size of the picture. You want to increase and decrease your picture, just you go with this magnifier tool and just click on the picture and you want you just increase and decrease your picture. Now here your chapter is completed. I will send you worksheet, you have to do worksheet, and here some difficult words are there. Graphic, this is your first word. Accessories, okay, and component. This is your third word, various. Fifth is enlarge. Sixth, minimize. Seventh, maximize. 8, irregular. 9, rotate. And 10, horizontal. These are the hard word of this chapter. You have to do this hard word. I will send you worksheet and do this worksheet. If you have computer and PC in your home, you have to practice on it. Okay. Okay, bye and take care everyone.